Hello all, my name is Amrapali Chavan and I am from computer department and today we will discuss about ethical and social issues. So first we will see the ethical issues. So information system are used by people in organizations and in society. So the ethics are publicly accepted rules of behavior for social engagement. In a larger sense, ethics are the moral rules and codes that individuals in a society follow. These rules are often derived from religion or community ethos. The dividing line between ethical and unethical behavior is determined by the community ethos and what is considered widely is to be acceptable. Then legal issues. Ethics are different from the legal issues. What is legal is determined by a explicit set of laws usually written in any country. The system of justice in a country decides on the legally or non-legally of the action, issues, rules, etc. So ethics, on the other hand, are not sharply encoded in text. They are determined by loose codes outlined as conduct, rules, or ethical guidelines. Next is privacy. So information systems are used widely across organization and they enable data and information to be widely distributed for use. So, uh, some complex nature of information system and the manner in which data is created, stored and manipulated. The answer to this question is usually difficult. So, the answer of the some complex problems of privacy has to be considered why it is important in the first place. So, data and information relating to individual could be of sensitive nature. Some examples are employee record. So employees who work extensively with computers log in every morning when they come to work and log out in the evening when they leave. During the working day, every time they leave their desk or are not working on the computer. The system logs their inactivity at the work. For example, United Airlines workers in USA was threatened with job loss on the grounds that she had spent more than allotted time in the bathroom, making her co-workers take up her work. Next is medical record. This detailing illness, treatments, hospital visits, medication routines are all stored on the organizational database that contain the personal data. So the data is specific to individuals and for some organization. For example, uh, the medical records of a famous singer, Britney Spears, were read by the employees of the hospital in which she treated. The employees later leaked the information to the press. So Spears took legal action against the hospital. Next is web surfing. Web surfing activities of individuals are also logged by the corporate web servers. Which site individual have visited, how long they have been on the site, and what kind of material they have downloaded are also logged. Then security system. These security system in some organizations which are based on swipe cards or security cards that enable doors and office building to be opened or accessed. Then retain records of all individual movement across buildings and workplaces. Next is internet challenges to the privacy. So first challenge is cookies. So cookies present a threat to privacy as they reveal the user's surfing behavior. Many e-commerce sites use cookies to learn what kind of sites and pages the user have visited, then target advertisement at him or her. Sometimes cookies also reveal the personal details about the user such as name, phone number and address of the user. Next challenge is spyware. Spyware are computer program pieces of software which enter and reside on the personal computers and monitor user activity. So a typical spyware program may enter the computer through email or through browser, and then it reside on the computer. Spyware are malicious software created to invade the privacy of the user. Next is workplace monitoring social issues. So it include the types of workplace monitoring. There are many possible ways in which electronic monitoring can be affected in the organization. So the first type is use of the digital video camera, then use of the computer network logs to record all the use of files, websites and other programs. Then scanning and storage of all outgoing and incoming emails, use of employee identity cards to monitor physical movement of the employee. Then next is workplace behavior and health. So it is well known that information system face resistance from the user within the organization. So the resistance arises in many reasons like dislike of technology, malfunctioning of technology, fear of new work norms, or fear of unknown technology among the others. So these are the resistance and conformity in workplace behavior and health. Next is changing work practices. So information system in organization have not only created new kinds of jobs such as workers, administrator, web administrator, security analysis, but also put in place new work practices for all employees. So as compared to the older manual method of the working, modern employees of the organization that use the information system has to be to do the things differently. So these are the changing of work practices. So these are the some social and ethical points that we have discussed in this discussion. Thank you so much.